based on a true story. There was a bank in Nepal which had a settlement account for a wallet company called Sigilo Pay. Every day, thousands of transactions happened in that wallet account. Everything looked normal, each deposit just below 1 million rupees, the limit set by Nepal Rashtra Bank. But this was a wallet account. Anyone can deposit any amount, nothing looked suspicious. Not yet. Then there was one analyst reviewing alerts, one by one, and she noticed something. One customer depositing into the wallet again and again. She knew that name. She had filed an STR against this person before. She connected the dots and filed a suspicious transaction report, this time against the wallet itself. What investigators found was shocking. That wallet was at the center of a gold smuggling racket in Nepal. Gold jewelers used this wallet to pay their smugglers, hidden inside a bank's own system. The bank did not escape this. Regulators launched a special AML-CFT inspection. The message was clear. Had you not filed that STR, we would have taken action against your bank. But here's the question. What if she had missed it? She was buried under hundreds of alerts. What if she simply forgot? This is not about one analyst. This is about the limits of human memory. We cannot rely on brain power alone. We need systems. The system which is capable of cross-referencing past STR customers automatically, drafts SAR narratives, generates reports including XML format, saving hundreds of analyst hours. The next missed STR may not have a happy ending. What follow is the demo of such powerful AI application, built for the analyst who cannot afford to forget. This is what future financial crime compliance will look like, that is totally powered by agentic AI. Let me demonstrate this concept through this video. Let's take this suspicious account, Himalaya Gems Wallet, where you can immediately see suspicious transaction in form of pattern, multiple deposits from different people in the same day, just under the threshold of 1 million instance. So I'm now going to load this data in this application. Immediately, you can see the highlight of transaction of this account, that is total deposits, total withdrawals, and the number of transaction. These are the kind KYC details. But here's where it gets interesting. Watch this warning. The system has automatically cross-referenced one of the depositor in that account, whose name is Bishnu Tamang, against the historical STR filed cases. And it was found that STR was filed against this person because of the suspected Hawala activity. Now, another feature of this application is that I can generate STR narrative. Let me do that. Here you can see STR narration has been generated, and this is an example of qualitative STR, because this narration follows all principle of 5 Ws, meaning this narration explains what has happened, where it has happened, when it has happened, who were involved, and as well as why we suspect that this account may be involved in suspicious activity. Then final feature of this application is we can download STR. We can download the STR report in Word or Word format as well as in XML file. So let me show you the Word format. This is a sample of STR report. It might be different as per different jurisdiction, but you can use this application to customize STR report in the specified format as required by your rules and regulation of the country. This is the XML file that was generated by the application. So those of you who are submitting STR through XML file in GeoMail website, then you can use this XML file. To conclude this video, I like to say that here AI is not making the decision. The compliance officer still reviews, approves, and signs, but you can see the power of such application. The hours of searching and drafting STR will be drastically reduced by such kind of application. So this is what AI in financial crime compliance actually looks like. Practical, grounded, and built around a real case. Follow me for more. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.